Module 1. Taking command of the aircraft. In this video, we cover the essential steps for non-pilots to take control of an aircraft if the pilot becomes incapacitated. Taking command of the aircraft is part of our comprehensive emergency training program, designed to equip you with the skills needed to manage such situations. You'll learn how to stay calm, assess the situation, communicate with air traffic control, ATC, use the autopilot, and manage the aircraft's controls. We also provide basic first aid tips for the incapacitated pilot. By the end of this video, you'll know how to act swiftly and effectively, ensuring the safety of everyone on board. This training is vital for anyone who may need to take command in an emergency. In an emergency where the pilot is unconscious, it is crucial for a non-pilot to take command of the aircraft. This process can be broken down using the following acronyms: STOP, CAP, ABC. This will ensure that you follow a systematic and effective approach to managing the emergency. Let's start with the first acronym. STOP. S. Stay calm. The most important thing is to remain calm and composed. Panicking will only hinder your ability to think clearly and take effective action. T. Take a deep breath. Taking a moment to breathe deeply can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. O. Observe what is going on. Quickly assess the situation in the cockpit. Check the status of the pilot, the aircraft's instruments, and your surroundings. Make a mental note of your location, weather conditions, and time of day or night. P. Proceed by taking action to control the aircraft. Once you have a basic understanding of the situation, begin taking steps to communicate with air traffic control and to fly the aircraft in straight and level flight. Move from the back of the aircraft to the co-pilot seat in the front of the aircraft. You will have to unplug your headset and plug it into the plug jacks located by the co-pilot seat. Now let's move on to the next acronym. CAP. C. Communicate with ATC. 1. Use the radio to communicate with air traffic control, ATC. Locate the radio panel and ensure it's set to the appropriate frequency, usually 121.5 MHz for emergencies. Radio stacks may be different in each aircraft. The Garmin 540 and Garmin 430 radios use mechanical rotary knobs and push buttons. Note: the Garmin GTN 750 radio uses a touch screen and mechanical rotary knobs and push buttons. 2. State your emergency clearly. This will help ATC understand the gravity of the situation and provide the necessary assistance. 3. For example, you can say, "Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is November 123 Foxtrot. The pilot is incapacitated. I am a passenger taking over the controls." Note: the tail number of the aircraft is printed on a placard located on the instrument panel. ATC will then begin communicating with you, giving you instructions to help manage the emergency. A. Engage autopilot. If the aircraft is equipped with an autopilot, engage it to help maintain altitude and heading. This will reduce the manual workload and allow you to focus on communication and other critical tasks. P. Become the pilot. Fly the aircraft. Assume the role of the pilot. Use the yoke to control the pitch, roll, yaw, and the throttle to manage airspeed. Follow ATC instructions closely. The final acronym to use is ABC. If able, administer first aid to the pilot, otherwise land the aircraft as soon as possible following air traffic control instructions. A. Airway. If able, check the vital signs of the incapacitated pilot. Ensure their airway is clear. B. Breathing. Check if the pilot is breathing. If not, you may need to administer CPR or other emergency procedures if you are trained to do so. C. Circulation. Check for a pulse to determine if the pilot's heart is still beating. If there is no pulse, you may need to provide chest compressions. By following these steps, you can effectively take control of the aircraft and manage the emergency situation. Remember, staying calm and following a structured approach is key to ensuring the safety of everyone on board. This concludes our training course for Module 1, Taking Command of the Aircraft. Please post any comments, suggestions, or questions you have below in the comments section.